Hello, my name is Miss Dian Wijayanti.
I am Miss Nurul Hidayah.
I am Mr. Kike Agung Prasetyo.
And I, Mr. Ardiansa.
Okay, now we will study about narrative text.
Do you know what is narrative text?
Narrative text is a kind of text to retell an imaginative or factual story in past tense. The kinds of narrative text: folklore, the traditional beliefs, custom, and passed through the generations by word of mouth. Fable, a story about animals, plant, or nature. Legend, a story about human events or actions that are not in the real history. Fairy stories, a story for children involving magical events and imaginary. What is the purpose of narrative text?
First, to entertain the readers. The second, to amuse the readers. And the third, to teach the moral value. The fourth, to change social opinion. Generic structures is to compose a good and correct narrative text. The first, orientation. Set the scene and introduce the participants. The second, complication. Tells the problem of the story and how the main characters solve them. This part includes situations, activities, or events. The third is resolution. It shows the end of the story. The language features of narrative text. The first, use direct speech. It is to make the story live. The second, use of past tense. For example, Toba was surprised that the fish became a beautiful woman.
Prepare yourself to some questions. Choose A, B, C, or D for the correct answer. What is narrative text? A is a kind of text to retell an imaginative or factual story in past tense. B is a kind of text to retell a dream. C is a kind of animal story. D, describing about something. Number 2. What is the kind of narrative text? A, announcements. B, legends. C, encyclopedia. D, prose. Read the following text. Question number 3 until 5 are beside on the text.
One day a lion fell asleep and a little mouse started to run upon him. This woke the lion up, surprised by the little mouse. The lion placed his paw upon the little mouse and he was ready to swallow the little mouse. What is the orientation from the story before? A. Surprised by the little mouse. B. He was ready to swallow the little mouse. C. One day a lion fell asleep and a little mouse started to run upon him. This woke the lion up. D. This woke the lion up. Why did the lion wake up? A. This woke the lion up. B. He was ready to swallow the little mouse. C. The lion was waking up because the lion placed his paw upon the little mouse. D. The lion woke up because a little mouse ran up and down upon him. What is orientation? A. Set the skin and introduce the participant. B. It shows the end of the story. C. The little. D. The lion placed his paw